What if I told you there's a way to eliminate your electric bill? What if I told you you could save the environment in the process? What if I told you you can start today? Here at Coastal Solar, we believe in making a difference in your future, and we believe solar technology is the solution. Here's why. Solar energy is not only the original, but also the most abundant energy source on the planet. With our technology, you can access this energy source and ultimately take control of your electric bill and even eliminate it. Want to know more? Message us below. We'll not only answer your questions, but we'll even schedule an in-home meeting with one of our knowledgeable and friendly consultants. They'll review your energy usage and create a unique, tailored energy plan on how our technology can benefit you and your family, all for free. Improve your future today. Sign up below.